Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use Framer templates for portfolio. Open your chosen template, duplicate the project, and set up a clear folder structure so assets stay organized. Begin by replacing placeholder images and text with your best work and concise descriptions. Keep layout consistency, use repeatable components, and save versions often to track progress while you refine the visual hierarchy and content flow. Start by modifying global styles so colors and fonts reflect your personal brand and stay consistent across pages. Use responsive breakpoints to preview how sections reflow on phones, tablets, and desktops. Replace placeholder components with your own projects, adjusting spacing and alignment with grid or auto layout tools. Preview interactions and animations, then iterate until each project card tells a clear story. Focus content on impact by writing short summaries that emphasize your role, process, and measurable outcomes. Add clear calls to action that invite contact, case study views, or downloadable resumes to increase engagement. Introduce tasteful micro-interactions like hover states or reveal animations to guide attention without distracting. Test navigation flow, confirm accessibility basics like contrast and keyboard use, and gather feedback to polish both content and interaction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.